Okay guys, this is another adventure for me. We're here in the highway and I'm here right now at Kanji Restaurant. This Remacherie, it's a sweet bakery or in the KFC. Finally, we're inside and the ambience is really nice. It's really big. This is a perfect place to eat with your family and friends. We just arrived and I think I'm going to jail in the morning. This is gonna be my last supper. So now we're starting mutton ribs. Ekisat chair with this raw veggies in grilled one. They're gonna add some rice. Both barahe. Look at the size of the mutton ribs. It cost you only for 5,000 rupees. It's tasty, guys. It's not that spicy. I'm having a best night right now. Second one that I'm gonna try is the chicken. So I'm gonna try now. Food was great. The chicken was great. Not that spicy. You can taste the authentic Chinese. So now I'm having the koila karai. I don't know if this is gonna be spicy. I'll have the roginan. It's a pure tomato spices that they add. 10 out of 10 with me. Arigato gozaimasu. Bye to you guys now. But meron pa sana. The food was so zabardast. And I really love it. So right now I'm just enjoying, walking here and there because I really had a full tight stomach because of the food that I take. So anyway, see you next time.